site we've got 4 production lines. We've got 2 production lines that make roof and wall products and 2 production lines that make solely wall products. Of those lines we make products with quad core foam technology, and we've also got 1 fabrication shop. We offer a range of modified panels, from variable width panels to cranked corners, curved panels, and all of these products have to comply with Kingspan's strict quality standards. With our quality systems, we can follow the process right from the beginning to the end. So from measuring the flatness of the steel, measuring the colour of the steel, right through the chemistry, the quality systems are vital in ensuring that we've got the perfect product leaving the site and getting to the customer right first time. Customer excellence is something that we're investing a lot of time and money in, and I think that's shown out on the shop floor and in the offices. People are key because of the systems we implement and the quality systems that we need to adhere to.
Okay, Tuesday.
I've been at Hollyown now for 22 years. I really love my job at Kingspan. Every day's different. I meet lots of people, lots of challenges. I'd like to think we're quite prestigious in the local area. Kingspan is a company and a brand that people want to work for.